The automotive world has always recognized the Mercedes-Benz S-Class as the ultimate benchmark of luxury, comfort, and innovation. Year after year, generation after generation, it has remained the gold standard, and now with the 2026 S-Class, Mercedes has once again rewritten the definition of what it means to build a flagship luxury sedan. Welcome back to Auto Gear Hub Car Garage. This is Car Lust, and today we're diving deep into the masterpiece that is the 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class. Buckle up, because this car is about to take you into the future of luxury mobility. From the very first glance, the 2026 S-Class radiates elegance and authority. Its design is not about being loud or overly flashy, but about commanding respect through pure sophistication. The front fascia showcases a new diamond pattern grille, slimmer digital headlights with micro-LED precision, and an aerodynamic body that's both sleek and powerful. Every line is purposeful, sculpted to improve airflow, reduce drag, and deliver a silhouette that looks like it's in motion even when parked. Mercedes has taken aerodynamics to another level here, ensuring that beauty and performance blend seamlessly. Step inside the cabin and you'll immediately understand why the S-Class has always been considered a palace on wheels. The 2026 model pushes the tradition even further with what can only be described as a sanctuary of technology, craftsmanship, and comfort. Imagine stepping into a world where the softest leather hugs you, where polished wood trims and aluminum accents meet seamlessly, and where ambient lighting in 64 customizable colors sets the exact mood you want. The centerpiece is the massive OLED hyperscreen system that stretches across the dashboard, merging driver display, infotainment, and passenger entertainment into one futuristic digital command center. Every touch feels intuitive, every feature flows effortlessly. But the S-Class is not just about looking pretty, it's about making sure the driver and passengers experience the highest level of comfort possible. Rear passengers get first-class lounge seating with full recline, massage functions, heated armrests, and even a built-in fragrance system that subtly enhances the atmosphere inside. Mercedes understands that for many owners, the S-Class is chauffeur-driven, so the focus on rear comfort is unmatched. The 2026 model introduces noise-canceling technology integrated into the cabin, ensuring absolute silence as the outside world fades away. Imagine gliding through the city or speeding down the highway and only hearing the soothing notes of your favorite playlist through the Burmester 4D surround sound system. It's perfection. Under the hood, the 2026 S-Class offers a mix of powertrains designed for both performance and efficiency. The lineup includes a turbocharged inline-6 with hybrid assistance, a powerful V8 with mild hybrid technology, and for those craving ultimate performance, the AMG-tuned version takes things to the next level. What's even more exciting is the introduction of a plug-in hybrid variant with over 100 kilometers of pure electric range, making the S-Class not just luxurious but also environmentally forward-thinking. The power delivery is smooth, immediate, and effortless, exactly what you'd expect from a car of this stature. Driving the 2026 S-Class feels like piloting the future. The new generation of Mercedes Intelligent Drive Systems offers Level 3 autonomous capabilities in certain regions, allowing the car to handle itself in specific traffic conditions. Adaptive suspension scans the road ahead, adjusting in real time for bumps or potholes, giving you the smoothest ride imaginable. Rear-wheel steering makes maneuvering this full-size luxury sedan surprisingly nimble, shrinking its turning radius and making city driving stress-free. It's luxury, but it's also engineering brilliance. Mercedes has always prioritized safety, and the 2026 S-Class continues that tradition with cutting-edge innovations. The car is packed with sensors, cameras, and radar systems that work together to anticipate potential collisions, assist in emergency maneuvers, and protect passengers with preemptive safety measures. In fact, in the event of a side collision, the suspension can lift the car slightly to absorb impact on stronger structural areas, an innovation that could very well save lives. This is not just safety, this is intelligence built into the DNA of the car. Let's not forget about the digital experience that makes this S-Class truly futuristic. Mercedes has integrated artificial intelligence that learns your habits, preferences, and routines. From adjusting the seat and steering wheel position to recommending routes based on your calendar, the S-Class feels alive, like a personal assistant that anticipates your needs before you even realize them. Voice commands are more natural, gesture controls are smoother, and the interface feels like second nature. This is the type of seamless interaction that defines the 2026 driving experience. Of course, prestige is a big part of the S-Class legacy, and the 2026 version exudes it effortlessly. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. Whether you're arriving at a 5-star hotel, pulling up at a corporate event, or simply enjoying a late-night drive, the S-Class announces your arrival without you having to say a word. It's not about showing off, it's about embodying the very essence of success, refinement, and progress. Mercedes has also made sustainability a core part of this new model. The interior uses eco-conscious materials without sacrificing quality, and the hybrid and electric powertrains ensure lower emissions and efficiency for the modern era. The S-Class proves that luxury doesn't have to come at the cost of responsibility, it can lead the way toward a cleaner, smarter automotive future. For those who crave exclusivity, Mercedes offers the Maybach edition of the 2026 S-Class, taking luxury to an even higher level. With extended wheelbase, unique design touches, and an interior that rivals private jets, the Maybach S-Class is the ultimate expression of what happens when you push refinement to its limits. In conclusion, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class is more than just a car. It's a vision of the future wrapped in timeless elegance. It's the perfect blend of cutting-edge technology, breathtaking luxury, and unparalleled driving comfort. Whether you're behind the wheel or sitting back in the rear lounge, the S-Class delivers an experience that is second to none. This is not just transportation, it's a lifestyle, a legacy, and a promise that Mercedes-Benz continues to fulfill with every generation. So, what do you think about the 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class? Is this the ultimate luxury sedan of the future, or do you think another brand has what it takes to dethrone it? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed our deep dive into this stunning machine. Subscribe to Auto Gear Hub Car Garage for more incredible reviews, car news, and deep dives into the automotive world. This is Car Lust, and until next time, keep driving with passion. The automotive world has always recognized the Mercedes-Benz S-Class as the ultimate benchmark of luxury, comfort, and innovation. Year after year,